We are in the ano.
Lion, ano?
Sa Kenya na. Ay, hindi. We are in science man. Science. So, we are in ano.
Mr. T-Rex.
They're in the here.
Pinilihan ko sa babo, naniawa.
Yes.
Una, mag-anak sa babo.
Yeah, you have only 400 square meters. We are in
Sa lake.
Lake for Crocodile.
Can we borrow umbrella?
No. Get what one?
Ayan, maraming salamat, Miss Jenny. Mabuhay o Maria once again. My name is Liz and I'm very excited to be a part of your nature and culture discovery experience. Now, my partners over here are both eclectus parrots. And something very interesting in the eclectus parrot family, no, is for them, iba po ang kulay ng mga babae at iba po ang kulay ng mga lalaki. Now, I'd like to ask everyone here this morning, between these two birds, which one do you think is the girl? Is it the green one or the red one? Ayan ako, halo-halo yung mga sagot natin, no? Ganito na lang para klaro. For those of you who think that the green one is the girl, can you raise your hand para makita ko? Who among you thinks that the green one is the girl? Ayun, ang daming nagdas ng kamay. And you know what? Ang dami rin. Mali. Because actually, in the eclectus parrot family, the green ones are the boys and the red ones are the girls. So this one perched over my shoulder is actually Ruby, our red eclectus parrot, and over there with Kuya Roy is Midori, our green eclectus parrot. Now, even more interesting about these two birds over here is that they're already 15 years old and is a product of our conservation breeding program here at Malagos Garden Resort. That's it for Ruby and Midori. Can everybody please say bye, Ruby? Bye, Midori. Ayan, of course, now it's time for our next class. And for our next class, I need a volunteer. So, sino po yung gusto maging volunteer? Can you raise your hand para makita ko? Who wants to be a volunteer? Ayan, ang daming gusto maging volunteer. But for today, for our financial management class, I need a volunteer specifically with extra bill. And yung not will do, please fold it lengthwise, hold it at the tip, and hold it as high as you can para makita na ating teacher bird. Ayan, very good. Now, for all of my volunteers, I need you all to stand up. Let's have this one more trick before we have to, unfortunately, end the show because of the weather. Now, I'd like to remind everybody the bird show is weather permitting. So, on the off chance